hostel, so please subscribe the button. Actually, if you follow cat. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new vlog. So today I'm gonna make vlog on my hostel. Before that, I want to say that I hope all of you are safe wherever you are staying. Please don't go out if you don't need anything, or if you are going out, please maintain proper precautions so that you be safe, as the situation is going very bad and lockdown is going on. I am also at my hostel, so I can also go out and make vlog outside, so that's the reason I am trying to make vlog whatever possible by staying in hostel. So as whoever saw my last vlog was about my hostel room tour. So today I'm gonna make a vlog on my hostel, as it's also a requested vlog, and a lot of people don't have idea that here's also a hostel, as it's not on campus and it's not near to campus. It's far from campus, so a lot of people think I may stay in a private hostel, but basically this is also a Andhra University hostel, and mostly international female students stay here. Like it's a 3-floor hostel, so first floor and second floor international student is staying, and the ground floor is for Indian student. But why I'm giving you all information right now? Have you subscribed my channel? Not yet, na? So please, there is the subscribe button in left side. Please click on that and subscribe, so that you can get a lot of information from me through my videos, as I'm trying to help you guys. And if you subscribe my channel, there will be no loss for you, only gain, and for me it will be a huge encouragement. So in future also I can make more helpful videos, informative videos for all of you. So yeah, I'll not bore you more by the introduction. Now let's get into the main part of the vlog, which is my hostel, beautiful hostel. So I was thinking from which place I should start, from up or down. Then I decided, okay, let's start from the main gate. And from main gate, the hostel, main hostel building is like 3 to 4 minutes. We have to walk, and there is a huge space both side. It's like there's even they can make 2-3 hostel more at this place, and there is so many greenery, so many trees, big trees and flower trees. Like it's very refreshing. And some my Indian friends who stay in other hostel, whoever came sometimes they saw this hostel. They always like this hostel is best hostel. It's so relaxing, as so much greenery, trees are here. Not only like building, there's all around there is the greenery, trees and all. So that's the reason it's very relaxing than any other hostel. Though I didn't saw how is others hostel for Indian student. I saw others international hostel. Even from all of the hostel, I think this one is the best hostel. So yeah, you can see I am already near to the main building, and even the building also, as it's a new hostel. Basically, as I came on 2019, I hear from some student that is constructed 2018 I guess, and from 2019 we international started to stay in this hostel. Like there is 3 floor. I already told that in ground floor Indian student is staying. Indian student means pharmacy department student only, as now is this lockdown going on, and because of this situation all the Indian students are already left for their home long ago. Only we are staying now. This is the ground floor. Even inside there is so beautiful. You can already see there is grasses in ground. All the room of the Indian student is locked, as they are not here now. So yeah, I say like 4 side. The hostel is actually 4 side. It's not like 3 or 2. It's round. And even when we get a view, we can like walk around the hostel. That is enough relaxing. And now I am gonna show you the kitchen for Indian student. That's now empty, as no one is here. So yeah, it's so big. This is for Indian student. the mess, the dining room, and then there is a sink, and inside there is kitchen also. As no one is here, so I can show easily. If I was making this vlog when they were here, maybe I could not make this, so this time is best for me to making this vlog and show you that what is there actually. So yeah, this big room was maybe for their eating, and inside there is for cooking. Yeah, here they can cook for their mess for Indian student. And now I'm gonna show you our floors, like where international student is staying, first floor and second floor. Like we are almost 70 international female students now at this hostel, and some have already left for their country as because of this situation, COVID. So now I'm going to first floor, where basically I stay, and all other international student, first floor and second floor. So yeah, here I already show you my room in my last vlog. Whoever watch, that's great, and who didn't watch yet, they can please go and watch. Yeah, this is my room door, and there you can see one washroom is visible. I'm not going inside. Here now I'm going to show you our TV room, or if any meeting we want to do or any birthday celebration, then we use this room. But for watching TV, we never use this. Actually, no one watch TV. Everyone now it is busy with their phone, laptop and all. So now I'm going to show you our kitchen. As I told you in my last vlog that we have a big kitchen for international students. So this is the kitchen. We have a stove here. Here all the international students can cook, and there is dining also. We can eat also there. As that side I already show you one washroom, and this side also. So I'm not going inside, but both are same. Inside there is a separate bathroom, and toilet is there. This is same for all the floor. And so here's a artist stay. I mean a student, a fine art student. She is a very good artist actually. Her work is very good. One day I'll try to make a blog with her. So she is practicing, and that time I was shooting. Now she is hiding her face. So yeah, then here's two Vietnamese students stay, and they love plantation. Even though from hostel there's a lot, but in front of their room also they did a lot of plantation, we can see. So and then from their room, this is the details about hostel, who is involved with construction of this hostel. This is all about here. And now I'm going to show you my most favorite place, that is our hostel terrace. As I love this place this much that most of my photos are from this place, and some of even ask me that why I take all the photos in same place. Actually I love this place as Kailashgiri is visible from here, and also in the mirror the reflection of Kailashgiri also comes. So literally I love this place. You can also see that how beautiful it is. So actually the time I am shooting this vlog is almost evening, because in daytime there is so much hot. Now the weather is so hot, but in daytime when the sun is there, it look even more beautiful. So now I'm going to show you another floor. Actually I'll not show you the second floor fully, because it's almost same. Only the kitchen and TV room is in first floor. Who want to cook or who have to cook, like all the international, for all first floor and second floor international student, they have to come to first floor kitchen, and they can cook there. And also the TV room also in first floor only. Otherwise in second floor all is same, the room and all other washroom, all other things is same. So that's why I am not showing you fully the second floor again. So that's why I'm going to rooftop now, and that is another best place like terrace, as from rooftop beautiful views we can see not only Kailasgiri, also sea also visible from rooftop, like one side the Kailasgiri and another side is sea. I don't know that how much is visible in the camera, like Kailasgiri is visible but the sea is not clearly visible, I guess. But like for me it's like a blessing, like before I used to like only sea, but after I came in Vizag, like I love both, like hill and sea, both I love. I can't choose one now, both are now near to my heart. So yeah, you can see the sea. So yeah, it's very relaxing actually, this hostel. That things already I said many times, that is the truth. Like if for lockdown we can go out, still if we walk down or rooftop we feel very relaxing. So I think through my video a lot of students get to know about this hostel who are going to come in future. Like when I was going to come here, I was also checking in YouTube that if I get to know any hostel, how is look or how is the facility, but unfortunately there was no video before, no one made, so that's the reason I am making now, so that in future if anyone check in YouTube they get to know that where they are gonna stay. So it will be good for them, and especially for international students who are coming for different countries, for them it's very important to know that in which place, which weather, in which situation they are going to stay. And also Indian students, as ground floor is for Indian students, they also will be happy to know about this, I guess, as a lot of students have already asked me to make a blog. So yeah, that is all. I hope all of you enjoy this, and more than enjoy, I think as it informative video. So if you want me to make any more video about anything you want to know, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try to make, and I will happily make for you. I think I feel very good if I can help anyone through my work or videos. So yeah, stay safe and stay healthy for today. Bye bye guys.